Good morning. We're at Joe Dodge Lodge and we're getting ready to head out, going north through the Wildcats. Scary a little bit, but we'll go slow and
no doubt
we'll get back with you. So have at it. Well, bye.
having fun on the AT.
Having fun on the AT, main thing.
We waited until about 9 and
Yeah.
rain was done. So.
Yeah.
Is that, what's that right there in front of us?
That was the last peak we came down.
Yeah. I think we spent the night up there.
Oh,
Night before last.
Yeah, I don't know if that's the name of the peak. You're right.
Yeah.
That was good.
oh me.
Yeah.
Wow.
Looks good.
We're having fun on the Appalachian Trail, if you call this fun.
I'll call it.
It is fun. I call it fun.
I'm sorry to say that I do too.
Not hardly. We're like 2,800.
That's Joe Dobbs Lodge right there where we started. You can probably see our truck in the parking lot from here. And I can't. But that's where we started. Greg says we've come a mile and a half. And it's as good as it gets right here. Starting to see some blue sky. And let me show you Greg. Greg's been up here for 5 minutes. First thing he said when I got here is, "Are you ready to go?" We're having fun on the Appalachian Trail.
We are.
That's really smart you're doing that.
Yeah. I've done it for, well, ever since my grandson's 3 years old. So
You never
before.
know, a couple of them might hike the trail one
Oh,
day.
I'm hoping so.
They can
Yeah.
reproduce your pictures.
Yeah. So I
There
have
you go.
some with him, with this sign before he was born.
That is
Yeah.
good.
So.
We're halfway up the mountain and Greg's done his sign. And
Thank you. Appreciate you.
I don't know what all we're looking at, but
I got to rest on the way. I got to stay within my comfort.
isn't that something? This is a class 5 climb, but we chose to go no-bow instead of so-bow, I guess, this morning, and I think we made the right choice. I'd much rather have done this than have gone the other way. So we're doing it. Yeah, we're getting maybe close to 2/3 up Wildcat Mountain. This is definitely a class 5 climb, and we're moving on up. But over there in the distance, probably one of them is Mount Washington. Looks like Franconia Ridge may be over there, but I don't know if I can see it that far. We've come too far for that.
Yeah, I tried a couple different ones.
Yeah.
Here we are on the stair steps on Wildcat Mountain. And there's the New Hampshire Guillotine. And we go up through there? Not sure. There's Mount Washington from the top of Wildcat. You can see the towers up there. And I guess you can see how we came down somehow. All this big ravine over here, right through the trees there. I think I remember walking past that. And down here is the road where we started this morning. We're having fun on the Appalachian Trail.
Midwest almost.
Mount
Canada.
Yeah.
Mount Washington from
Okay.
where in the hell are we?
We're on
Wildcat. Mount Washington from Wildcat. Greg drugged me all the way down that. We probably went right over there. It's probably Madison or something.
There's Madison right there.
And We came off that.
I think that's.
There's the road going up right over here. So where's Madison? That's probably Madison way over there, like there.
Oh, it is. You're right. I'm wrong. That's not Madison. Madison's over there.
There's
Yep.
the road. See a
Yep.
car going up the road to Mount
Well, I've got to
Washington.
correct my video then. I said that was Madison, but it's not.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got.
You don't know where
confused.
you're at.
I don't know where I'm at.
You know what?
What state are we in?
What are you doing? You're having fun on Appalachian Trail.
Appalachian Trail. Yeah, there's the jagged peaks we went down in the tree line.
Yeah.
Took forever.
Coming down that ridge
Yeah.
right there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Wow.
We did that.
Yeah, that's Madison. Right there. That's
And
Adams.
Down here
Brown.
in the valley is Joe Dobbs Lodge right there.
Yeah. Wow.
We're at the top of Wildcat Mountain after a long, probably 3-hour hike. And right in the background there is Mount Washington. If I can zoom in on, see the towers on top of Mount Washington there. And from Mount Washington, I believe we hiked all the way around, all off in that last mountain, and then off of it behind the trees there. And then we came back to here. There's Greg sitting in the whatever gondola seat or something on top of Wildcat Mountain.
I'm going to take a ride down. I'll be right back.
And I'll just sit in here with him if I can get in here without the wind. Get away! But all around over there is all kinds of stuff. Mountains everywhere. We've got to climb up there, and then we've got a mile descent on the other side, and we'll be able to close out the day maybe without another climb, but we may have to climb again. It's about 3 o'clock or a little after, and we got a late start for rain, and there's Greg, and we're having fun on the Appalachian Trail, I think. What is it?
355.
355. Whew.
We'll make it.
Right in front of us is Carter Dome, and we need to be up that tonight. And I don't think so. But we'll see. As you look down below us here, you see there's a hut down there. Right there. Carter Notch, I think, hut.
Yep.
And I don't know. We're going to have to see. But we've got a lot of views around here. And there's Greg. One more view.
Here I am. I was worried.
Greg says that this is home for the night.
Yes, I do.
It's an area about 10 foot square and soft as a baby's bottom with pine needles, but there ain't room for 2 people.
We're going to make it work.
Home for tonight.
Yep.
Having fun on the Appalachian Trail, aren't we, Greg?
We really are.
We really are. Here at Carter Gap Lake, maybe. And
Maybe.
we stayed up on the very tip top of that last night in the wind. And
Carter Notch.
Carter Notch. Yeah, Carter Notch Lake, maybe. And it's way up there. I think it maybe is over there.
Yeah.
We're moving on. There's Greg picking up his pole at Carter Hut Pond, whatever it is.
Yeah.
And once again,
we stayed.
That's where we stayed, right up there. And we came down to this pond, and up this other side's where we're going, I think. And together, Greg, we're having fun on the AT.
That was for you, Jordan.
We're halfway up Carter Dome, and clouds have moved in, and there's some rock jumble down below us, and I swear we're having fun. We're at the top of Carter Dome. Maybe there's a view on up the trail here. Guthook says we're at the top, so I'll take their word for it. And all I found is a mound of rocks and no Greg. Oh, there's Greg. Oh, thank goodness. But the only view from up here is the view of the two of us.
That's it.
Smile, Greg. There we are.
Having fun on the AT?
Having fun on the AT. And what do you say to Jordan this morning?
Oh, Jordan. What was I going to say to Jordan?
He can't remember.
I can't remember.
Maybe my old age is rubbing off on him.
Well, that could be. Wait a minute. I'll think of it. Oh, Jordan, find us down trail. Find us on the trail.
There you go. This is what we've seen all day today, except for the wind here is not as bad as it has been. But we've walked a number of miles. Greg's hollering for me, so we're going to move on ahead, having fun on the Appalachian Trail. If Mahoosic Notch is the most difficult mile on the AT, we're doing the second most of it, and I think this surpasses. I think there's more danger here. But we're having fun on the Appalachian Trail. Looking back over the Carters, we could just see them a minute ago, and now clouds are coming in. Oh, man. But it's early in the morning, and we've got a sunrise, and Greg's over here getting ready to cook some breakfast.
Coffee.
He's gonna fix us some ham and eggs this morning, and I can't wait. I can't wait. We're having fun on the Appalachian Trail at 6:30 in the morning.
Yes, we are.
Good morning. I guarantee you we've been over the top of everything that's in the viewfinder right there. And maybe a few more. That may be Wildcat where we camped the other night. I don't know. It may not be. Maybe a little too close. But we're sitting here having breakfast. Greg gave me a cup of coffee. Now he's putting up his stuff. Look at him.
Taking my pills.
Taking his pills. I think I took mine. I think I did. Smile, Greg.
I'm smiling.
Say, well, what did you say the other day?
Slide.
Slide. Oh, me. That's probably Mount Washington over there in the distance with all the clouds around it. Sunrise. Get up through there. Ooh. I'm feeling good. Look at the mountains. This state has got mountains. And I think we've walked over every one of them. Not hardly. Having fun on the Appalachian Trail. Good morning again. Sitting up here on top of this mountain. Just looking around. And it's amazing. We've been over a lot of the stuff around here. We also have for days kind of watched these windmills. That's Gorham, and then over there in the distance there's some windmills that are turning this morning. Most of the time we've seen them, they hadn't been turning, but they're doing very well today. And this is Gorham, where we've based out of, I guess. Stayed there a few nights, and we're going back to Gorham this morning. Whew. Greg says, whoop. Whoop. There's Greg. Good morning again. Sun's up over here, and we're going right up there. As soon as we can get there, we can head down to the road, about 5 miles from the top of that to the road. Having fun on that Appalachian Trail. I thought it was filming. It's Mount Washington, right straight in front of us. I'll zoom in right there in the clouds. And then on that bridge we walked down to Madison. I don't think I was over far enough for one. That's Mount Washington, straight over there in the clouds. We walked from there around over here to Mount Madison. Greg and I came off of Madison there, camped about 10 o'clock at night, and then walked on down to the road. And then we started up the Wildcats, and the Wildcats are crazy. Climb after climb of solid rock, and somehow or other we managed to do it. I don't know. It just goes on forever around here.
You're welcome. Hello.
Hello.
Good, and you?
Good.
Trying to figure out where we are. Everywhere we go, there's just a beautiful view a little higher. That point over there, I think that's Madison. That was the toughest thing we've done that day. We made it down. It's a good view of Mount Washington there with the towers. I could hope it'd stay on the wind. We're near the top of Mount Moriah, and you kind of don't think the top of a mountain be muddy, but there's plenty of mud up here. Mountain bogs, alpine bogs. Just more fun on the Appalachian Trail. Continuation of the alpine bogs. We have walking planks that are rotten and all kinds of condition, and we're just but we're right on top of the mountain. And mud galore. This surely must be the near tippy top of Mount Moriah. We just keep going up, and now we're in the clouds. This is the last tall mountain on our trip, I think.
Mount Moriah.
Mount Moriah, just past the summit of Mount Moriah, on the way down. Greg thinks there's a bird gonna land in his hand, but we ain't seen no birds.
I see videos of it.
Yeah, but there's blue sky above us, it looks like, and in the distance you can see, but we're up in the clouds. This is the last, maybe over 4,000 footer that we'll do. And
we made it easy.
And it ain't easy.
Oh.
Ain't none of them easy. But there's the tops of the trees. We're having fun on the Appalachian Trail, what all I can tell you. And,
Yep.
Phew, I'm ready to go take a bath. And I think I'd like to do that. So let's go down. Rattle River Shelter, AT. We've done the Wildcats, and it's amazing. It's